This is so crazy. She's gonna be like, what the fuck is this?
Well, how am I gonna scare her? Like I can't.
No, have your phone with you and play like animal noises, like weird.
Alright, so change of plans. Our flight got canceled for tomorrow. So we were just looking for hours to see if we could get a flight for later on in the day or Friday. We got one for Friday. But now I had the best idea. Why don't we just drive? So, Erin's looking up car rentals right now. Get back to ya! LOL. I have a face mask on, just showered in 3.2 seconds, packed the rest of our shit, and we're leaving in a car service.
A car service.
Well, we're not getting a car service, but we are getting a rental car and then dropping it off at the airport. Goodbye, girls. Athena, you're not coming.
I have the
love you.
Magical Express.
Love you. Bye, Ruby. Goodbye. So we're driving down to Erin's now. Jala's driving us to Erin's. She's finishing packing. And then we're leaving. 18 hours later, you'll see us in Disney. Okay, we're in the car. We're in Maryland right now. We went through New Jersey and Delaware. I don't think they can see you. Oh, I can see your glasses. Here we go.
How many more states to go?
No idea.
Virginia?
But we won't be there till 11:40, and it's only in the morning, not tonight. It's 9.
Yeah, I wish it was tonight.
Yeah. See you then. Washington, D.C. Okay, we're at the first gas stop. It's so cold and the snow is so bad. There was already an accident right next to us, so it was really bad. But now we're filling gas. Here comes Erin. It's so cold.
My temples first.
How we doing, ladies?
Sucks. I can't believe we're still driving.
We're still driving, and it is
We're not even in
11:46.
Georgia.
We were supposed to be there at 11:30.
We were supposed to be there by now, yeah. Bad ice storms, bad snowstorms, East Coast storm.
We are literally not even out of South Carolina.
Look at there's freaking snow on the ground.
There's been accidents. It was a sheet of ice. Oh, here we go.
Hold up.
This is not fun. So now our ETA time of getting there is like 7 o'clock at night. So we're probably gonna miss our dinner reservation that we made for, where were we gonna go? Skipper's?
Skipper Canteen.
Skipper
I'm
Canteen.
gonna see if there's a later one.
And I have to write a midterm when I get to the hotel. That's due at 10 o'clock. So we're off to the races.
Oh, it's starting.
Okay, where are we?
South Carolina still.
Still in South Carolina. It's 12:45. We're supposed to be at the airport to drop off the rental car at 5:43. So we still got quite a trek. Quite a trek. And there's still snow on the ground.
Okay, we made it.
Here we are.
We made it. There it is in the far distance.
Alright, let's go.
In the far distance. This is crazy, yo. How many hours were we in the car?
A lot.
23 maybe, or just 20?
21.
Probably 21. Insane. Okay, let's go. Zombies. Absolute zombies. Oh, there's a line.
Get out of here.
Puts it in my tree. I know, I feel like I should wear a Mickey shirt today in the park because this is the first day.
Yeah.
Hi folks, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Welcome to the Magical Express. We have magic pants. Princess Erin. Princess Aileen. Princess Patricia. 3 unescorted college girls to the river.
She wishes.
Thank you.
Number 9.
Way past college for me.
I'm the only one. I don't know if you could see it because it's so dark. But it's so cute! I know. Well, we know now. So this one's new, you said?
I think so.
This one's not as cute on the outside.
This is the one with the fancy rooms.
I know, but I'm saying on the outside you wouldn't think so.
Right. 9217.
Sneak peek! Sneak peek!
Did you see it? Yes.
Or we should have went the other way. Here's our room.
Are you ready?
Oh my god.
Ready?
Go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Princess Tiana's my favorite.
So magical!
Oh my god.
It's even better in person.
Ready?
Oh, it's so pretty! Look at the bed. Look at the bed.
Yo. Look at the TV frame. There she is. Does she light up?
No.
Oh, that's Bo. Oh, look. Go this way. It's that trebuchet.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh my god, look how cute. Oh my god. Princess Tiana isn't on these though. I thought she would be. These lights are not very bright.
Look, it's the genie lamps. How cool.
There's a note to us.
My hands are cold.
There's a note.
Yeah.
Ooh, the bathroom is nice. Pretty. Ooh. That's my favorite part, is Princess Tiana's right there. Wow.
Alright.
Look at even the coat thing.
And then get to work.
Good
No
shit.
time to waste. Get to work.
Right in a midterm. Let's go. Oh, wait. Okay guys, I'm about halfway through. I just finished the first part. This is the first part. And now I'm halfway done with the second part. It's only 2 questions, but it's gonna take me maybe an hour to do it, because he gave me 2 hours and 15 minutes, but I only have an hour and a half left. And I'm already done with one of them. So I should be done very quickly. Erin and Mom are out getting food from the main area of Port Orleans, and they're taking it to go and then bringing it back here. They're gonna shower, I think, freshen up. I'm gonna freshen up. I'm gonna change into something warmer because it is a little bit cold, and then we're gonna go right into Magic Kingdom. We have a few fast passes, and we're going to try to get some more and have a good night. And then I think the fireworks are going tonight at, nope, they're going right now. I can hear them at 9. I just heard it. That's funny. That's weird that I was just talking about that. They just started at 9. It's 9:03 right now. So it's open till 12. So we're gonna probably stay maybe until 11 because it's 9. I'll be done with this probably 15-20 minutes. Then I'm gonna eat. So maybe we'll get like at least an hour and a half in the park. So keep you updated. See you guys then. This bus is coming. It's cold.
Oh, Magic Kingdom.
Woohoo!
That's the first time that's ever happened.
So
We gotta let all these
we
people
were
off,
waiting
though.
for Magic Kingdom, but it's here. So we're going to Magic Kingdom. It's blurry. We all have our ears on.
Oh, it's a video? Here we go.
Only ones on the bus.
It's 9:51.
the best. We're home to the funniest monsters to ever roam Monstropolis. Yeah.
What did he say?
I can tell we're off to a great start. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the lab floor. And now, make some noise for your monster of ceremony,